Gravando aí? Alright, so this is the video of how to operate the dumpster. The machine box is where you control everything if you're going to operate it with the cable. Today we're going to operate it with the cable, so this video is going to be the cable operational. I don't have the remote control. It does operate with a remote control too, but I don't have it with me. So I'm going to show you how to operate it with the cables today, and some other time I'll do the video of how to operate it with the remote control. So basically, up is up, down is down, and these are the levers. Can you get this in the picture? So the left lever operates auxiliary and dump. So if I was to dump this right now, what I want to do is I'll put this here to the left like this, just like shown in the picture, and I'll go up button, and that operates the dumpster. Makes the dumpster go up and down. But right now, dumping is not what I'm trying to do, so I need it to be on the auxiliary, the aux, that's so I can open the gate. And the gate, the instructions is telling me that I need to have the lever sideways for me to operate the gate. You guys gonna want to open this, right? Quer aberto, né? Quer que abra o dumpster? A rampa? Okay. So I have to be sideways like shown in the picture for me to be able to open the gate. Now I gotta go unlock the gate so the gate opens up as a ramp. So first things first, I gotta open the cover for it. And then when this gate operates two different ways, one way is as a ramp, which is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna use it as a ramp to get into the trailer. And if I'm gonna use it as a ramp, this lever here, the big lever, there's a small lever and a big lever. If we're gonna use it as a ramp, all I need to do is just open the big lever, which I pull this and I do this. That's it. The ramp is ready to be opened up. If I was to dump it, and then it opens this way, then the gate opens this way, then I would not touch this lever. I would just open this one up, bring it out here, then I'll come around, open this one up as well, and then I'll lock it into here without touching the big lever, because then this here would have been up here locking the pins on both sides, and then this would open up this way if I was to use the dumpster, but we're not. So now both sides are open, and when we push the button there, then this should just open up. Down, and as you can see, the ramp starts to go down. Now I'm not going to put it down all the way because I still need to unhook this from the truck. So pretending I was going to unhook it from the truck right now, what I need to do is I need to make sure that the jack is what brings me up. So if I was to unhook it from the truck, this is self-explanatory. Anyone that operates equipment trailer knows how to do this. So my next step here to make it so now the power is on the jack and not on the gate, I come to my matrix here and I look, okay, so I need to operate the jack. So the jack, the arrow is telling me to put out front. So that's going to make it so the jack goes down and pushes the trailer up. So that will do the job of lifting it off the wall, and then we would unhook the trailer. That's basically it. It's not that hard, pretty simple, but maybe takes a couple times. I'll do another one with the remote, and when I do the one with the remote, I'm going to show you how we do the opposite way, where we're not going to use the gate as a ramp, we're going to use it to dump, and then that's a little different, but I'll do that one some other time. Thank you.